Hey everyone, this is Chris. You know, this coronavirus pandemic has completely changed the landscape of our society, not just here in America, but around the world in the matter of just a few weeks. The zeitgeist is completely different. Zeitgeist, being translating to the spirit of the times, has gone from what we would consider to be normal everyday life to something entirely unprecedented. Nobody's ever seen anything like this in our lifetimes. Hopefully we never will again. What this has done has injected a low level of fear and different types of fear into every corner of society, maybe even some indignation. That fear takes on different levels. It could be panic. It could be buying up a 6-month supply of toilet paper or ground beef or something like that at the grocery store. It also is fearful for a lot of financial reasons from the economy standpoint. You know, are we going to have a job on Monday? Some people have already lost their jobs. This is insane. This is crazy, right? Now, we can, as a society and as individuals, act with a mindset of fear. We can watch the TV, listen to the radio, fill our minds with all the stuff that's going on, all the statistics, how many people have died, how many people are infected, where it's spreading to, and things along those lines. And that injection of knowledge, keeping that in the forefront of our minds, can kind of paralyze us, right? This video is not about that. This video is a call to action. This time is a time of incredible opportunity. And I'm not talking about the opportunity where we profiteer from the pain or suffering of others. That's not what I'm talking about here. I'm going far deeper than that. This opportunity has much more to do with using the time that we have right now while we're all sitting at home, working from home, in quarantine, people are losing their jobs, things along those lines, to not watch TV, but to take this time for introspection, to identify those things that whisper quietly in our conscience, in our hearts, but the daily life, the chaos of daily life, I should say, drowns out those subtle voices in our minds, in our hearts. That introspection that I'm talking about is really kind of understanding what we stand for as individuals. Where's that line in the sand that we won't cross? What are we passionate about? What things do we love? Understanding those things can give us the chance to turn fear into an unprecedented level of opportunity where we can begin to act upon those things that we love and those stands that we have. We can use this time now to start a blog, to start a business online, to help people in unique ways that only each one of us as individuals can do. We are who we have been waiting for. No government has ever built the United States of America. It has always been we the people. And now we the people have a responsibility to get up and to do something, to rebuild our society, to rebuild a new normal after this whole coronavirus, hopefully, is in our rearview mirror. But we have to use this as an opportunity to do something new, to stand up, to rebuild, not wait. We can't wait for things to happen to us. We have to happen to things. There has never been a better time to do this. For those of you who still have a job, put your heart and soul into your work. Do more than what's expected. Tomorrow is going to be Monday. Just put out everything that you've got. Make the calls that you've been meaning to make. Write the emails. Whatever it is that you do for a living, do it, and do it with passion. Do it better than you've ever done it. Now is the time to do that. If you have time, if you don't have work right now, now is the time to start something new. Don't rest on the idea that you're a victim. Get up, do something, start a business, explore your passion, explore what it is that you stand for, make the world know. What you know, what's in your head, could change the world. It could be worth millions of dollars. Don't wait. This is one of the most unprecedented opportunities we've ever had to do this. That's my call to action. I hope you enjoyed the message. If you did, I'd love for you to share it. Get it out there. Hopefully, if enough people take action, we can completely revolutionize life as we know it. Okay, I'll see you guys later.